Welcome to Zoological World. Today we are discuss about Echidna. Echidnas, formerly called the spiny or spiky anteater, is one of only two mammals that lays eggs. The other is the platypus. Interestingly, both animals are found in Australia. Echidnas are also found in New Guinea. Every other mammal gives birth to live young. Like other mammals, the echidna also feeds its young with milk, is warm-blooded and has fur. Incredible echidna facts: one species of echidna, Zaglossus attenboroughii, is named in honor of Sir David Attenborough. The echidna is Earth's oldest living mammal, with evolution that dates back to the era of the dinosaurs. The echidna is one of the most genetically unique animals alive today, with characteristics rarely seen in other species. The echidna has the lowest body temperature of any mammal on Earth today. Echidnas are one of only 4 non-aquatic species that uses electroreception to locate food. The others are platypuses, cockroaches, and bees. Scientific names: these are 4 species of echidna. Their scientific names are Zaglossus brugen, Zaglossus attenboroughii, Zaglossus bartoni, Tachyglossus aculeatus. Echidnas are animals that have robust bodies and beaks through which they extrude a sticky tongue that can lap up ants, earthworms, or termites. They defend themselves by rolling into a ball, very much like an aardvark or a hedgehog, and presenting their spines. Echidna spines are made of keratin, like human fingernails. They have surprisingly large brains for their size and well-developed cerebral cortices. The eastern long-beaked echidna, Zaglossus bartoni, differs from its cousins in that it has 5 claws on its front feet and 4 claws on its back feet. It can weigh between 11 and 22 pounds and is from 2 to a little over 3 feet long. It has spurs on its back legs like the platypus. Both males and females are born with spurs, and they are not venomous, unlike the spurs of the male platypus. Females lose their spurs, but males keep them. Female eastern long-beaked echidnas are also bigger than males. There are 4 subspecies of Zaglossus bartoni. They are Zaglossus bartoni, Zaglossus bartoni cluneus, and Zaglossus bartoni sminki, both of which have 5 claws on all of their feet, and Zaglossus bartoni diamondi, which is the biggest member of the species. Zaglossus brugen, or the western long-beaked echidna, is the largest of all the egg-laying mammals. It can weigh up to 36 pounds and has long fur along with spines. It has 3 claws on its feet and a short tail. The snout curves down and makes up most of the length of the animal's head. It doesn't have teeth, but there are teeth-like projections on its tongue. The number of claws a member of Zaglossus brugen has seems to depend on the individual. Some have claws on the middle 3 digits of a 5-digit foot, while others have 5 claws. Only the males have spurs. Sir David's long-beaked echidna, or Zaglossus attenboroughii, is the smallest of the Zaglossus echidnas. It weighs between 11 and 22 pounds. In this case the male is bigger than the female, and only he has spurs on his feet. It has dense, fine fur and only a few white spines. Its lack of external genitalia gives it and other echidnas the order name of Monotremata. This means that the animal excretes, mates and lays eggs through one opening called a cloaca. Females also develop pouches. Zaglossus attenboroughii is nocturnal and, like other echidnas, rolls up into a bristling ball when it's threatened. Its snout is about 2.8 inches long and a bit straighter than that of the other species. Tachyglossus aculeatus is the short-beaked echidna, named because of the speed with which its tongue catches its prey. Like other echidnas, it is toothless and does not have external ears. It weighs between 4 and 15 pounds and is 12 to 18 inches long. Hardened pads are found at the back of the animal's mouth, and males have spurs on their hind legs. This echidna has powerful front legs and claws much like a mole. This lets it burrow into the ground quickly. It is adapted to living underground because it can tolerate environments with low oxygen and high carbon dioxide. It cannot sweat, so it stays in its burrow during the hottest part of the day. The short-beaked echidna hibernates or goes into torpor during the winter. Unlike the Zaglossus echidnas, the short-beaked echidna is abundant and found in nearly all Australian habitats and into the eastern part of New Guinea population. Biologists believe there are between 5 and 50 million short-beaked echidnas in Australia, though they are much more rare in New Guinea. The numbers of Zaglossus brugen are in severe decline, and the animal may be extinct. there are about 10,000 adult Zaglossus bartoni as of 2015. Though the number of adult Zaglossus attenboroughi is unknown, its population is also decreasing.